Hello and welcome. Today we will unbox and help you to install the havells ceiling fan. This video will also cover do's and don'ts for ceiling fan installation and customer tips for better performance of the fan. This is the kind of packaging that havells ceiling fan comes in. Now let's have a look at the contents inside the box. Down rod, top canopy, bottom canopy, shackle assembly, twisted wire, motor assembly, blade set, guarantee card and instruction manual. You will find the instruction manual inside the box or same instruction printed on packaging flap. Now let's move on assembling the ceiling fan. First insert the down rod from the slit. Slide the top canopy over the down rod from cap side. Pass the supply wires through the down rod tube from the cap side bigger hole and pull the wires from the slit hole of the down rod. Open the shackle assembly, which is having aluminium pads, and remove the split pin, lock nut, main hex nut, spring washers and smaller aluminium pads from the fold. Keep it securely. Place the motor assembly on a cushioned surface safely, otherwise it may get scratched. Remove the safety screw from shaft and keep it securely. Slide down the down rod from the slit and side over the motor and align the cross holes on the down rod and the shaft. Insert hex bolt along with bigger one. Place the aluminium spacer, then spring washer. Ensure the mounting of the safety screw to have safe fan running. Ensure the hex nut is fully tightened, otherwise it may create noise during fan running. And now tighten the lock nut. Ensure that this bolt is fully tightened. Please ensure to place the split pin in the provided hole to have safe fan running. Now fully tighten the safety screw which was kept loose with the shaft previously. Connect the supply wires in the terminal block. Ensure secure and proper connection. Pull the extra wire upward. Ensure all electrical wires do not touch the motor, otherwise it may create noise during fan running. Slide the bottom canopy towards the fan motor. Ensure bottom canopy do not touch the motor, otherwise it may create noise while fan running. Mounting. If open-end type hook and sealing. Remove the split pin, lock nut, hex nut, spring washer from the shackle assembly. Slide the shackle clip assembly over the down rod tube. Align the holes and insert the bolt through shackle clip and down rod holes. Place the spring washer and tighten the hex nut fully while holding the bolt head with spanner. Tighten the lock nut fully and ensure both hex and lock nut fully tighten, otherwise it may create noise during fan running. Hang the fan by open type sealing hook. If close end type hook and sealing. Hang the shackle clip assembly on close end hook. Slide the down rod assembly inside the shackle clip assembly. Align the holes and insert the bolt through shackle clip and down rod holes. Place the spring washer and tighten the hex nut fully while holding the bolt head with the spanner. Tighten the lock nut fully and ensure the both hex and lock nut fully tighten, otherwise it may create noise during fan running. And insert the split pin and spread the projected ends. Now open the blade assembly packaging. Pull out the blade safely. Ensure all the blades have same serial numbers, otherwise it may cause fan wobbling or shaking. Don't remove damping washer. Now carefully mount the blade and ensure all the screw tighten fully, otherwise it may create noise while fan running. While tightening the blade screws on motor, ensure the blade angle is not disturbed. Ensure the firm electrical connection, otherwise it may cause for fan not working. Slide the top canopy towards the ceiling. Ensure that top canopy do not touch the ceiling, otherwise it may create noise during fan running. Customer advice. Ensure the free hanging of the down rod while fitted in false ceiling, otherwise it may cause shaking, wobbling or noise. Down rod should not touch the false ceiling, otherwise it may create abnormal noise. Ensure the fan plate with brass screw, otherwise it may fall down the top canopy and may create abnormal noise. Local down rod and hardware may cause the noise. Wobbling or fall down of the fan. This may cause for human injury. Extra length down rods are available at the Havells authorized dealer. Customer can buy this for false ceiling purpose.